Welcome back to Zoom Auto, everyone. Today we are taking a calm, detailed look at the stunning 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto. This car is something truly special. This machine arrives with dramatic styling, electrified performance, and a design philosophy that respects Lamborghini history while pushing aggressively toward the future. From the first glance, the Revuelto feels low, sharp, and intentionally theatrical. Every angle appears sculpted for speed, airflow, and visual tension. Slim lighting signatures stretch across the aggressive front fascia, while deeply carved air channels direct cooling toward the hybrid powertrain. Along the sides, dramatic body lines create an almost fighter jet-inspired profile. Massive wheels fill the arches perfectly, and the rear section combines hexagonal exhaust detailing with an active aerodynamic setup that Lamborghini clearly wanted the Revuelto to feel emotional before the engine even starts. Color choices range from stealthy metallic shades to loud signature finishes designed to attract attention instantly. Despite its exotic appearance, the proportions remain surprisingly balanced and cohesive. Pricing places the Revuelto firmly within the ultra-luxury performance segment, competing against elite machines from Ferrari, McLaren, and Aston Martin. Buyers are paying for engineering, exclusivity, and unmistakable road presence rather than simple transportation alone today. Step inside, and the atmosphere immediately feels dramatic without becoming overwhelming. The driving position sits extremely low, creating a close connection between the driver and the road ahead. Lamborghini shapes the cabin around the driver with a cockpit-inspired layout that places major controls within easy reach. Visibility remains surprisingly usable for a supercar, especially through the front windshield. The seats provide impressive support during aggressive driving, yet they remain comfortable enough for longer journeys. Deep bolsters hold occupants securely during hard cornering, while generous adjustment options help drivers find an ideal seating position quickly. The overall layout balances futuristic styling with genuine usability. Lamborghini avoids unnecessary clutter and instead focuses on clean surfaces, layered textures, and sharp geometric themes that mirror the exterior design language. Ambient lighting subtly highlights important areas of the cabin during nighttime driving, adding a premium atmosphere without feeling distracting or excessive. Rear visibility remains limited, which is expected in this category, although modern camera systems help compensate during parking and low-speed maneuvering. Material quality throughout the Revuelto feels exceptionally impressive. Soft leather surfaces cover major touch points, while exposed carbon fiber reinforces the aggressive character of the car. Aluminum accents add contrast without appearing flashy, and the stitching work demonstrates remarkable attention to detail. Even small switches and buttons feel substantial when pressed. Lamborghini has clearly invested serious effort into improving refinement compared with older generations of its flagship models. Panel fitment appears tight and consistent, and there are very few signs of compromise anywhere inside the cabin. Cargo space naturally remains limited because this is still an exotic performance machine focused primarily on speed and excitement. However, Lamborghini has managed to create enough practicality for weekend travel. The front storage compartment can hold smaller luggage items, backpacks, or camera equipment without major difficulty. Additional cabin storage areas provide room for phones, wallets, and everyday essentials. Buyers searching for maximum practicality will obviously look elsewhere, but the Revuelto performs reasonably well within the expectations of the segment. Technology plays a major role in the overall experience. The digital instrument display delivers crisp graphics and customizable layouts that prioritize important driving information clearly. A large central touchscreen handles navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with fast responses and modern visuals. There is also a dedicated passenger display that allows the passenger to monitor performance information and interact with certain entertainment functions independently. Smartphone integration works smoothly, and the audio system delivers strong clarity even when the engine note competes for attention. Driver assistance features continue evolving as well. Adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring systems, parking cameras, and advanced stability management technologies. Importantly, these systems operate quietly in the background, rather than constantly interrupting the driving experience. Lamborghini understands that owners still expect emotional engagement above everything else. At the heart of the Revuelto sits a naturally aspirated 12-cylinder engine paired with advanced hybrid assistance. The result is extraordinary power delivery that feels immediate, aggressive, and deeply emotional. Throttle response remains razor-sharp, while the electric support helps fill lower-speed torque demands seamlessly. Acceleration feels absolutely brutal when launching hard from a standstill. The Revuelto surges forward with relentless force, accompanied by an unforgettable soundtrack that builds from a deep mechanical growl. Handling characteristics feel remarkably composed, considering the vehicle's immense power output. Steering remains precise and quick, allowing confident placement through demanding corners. The chassis feels rigid and responsive, while advanced all-wheel drive systems maximize traction under hard acceleration. Despite its aggressive capabilities, the suspension adapts surprisingly well to imperfect roads during calmer driving situations. Multiple driving modes significantly alter the character of the vehicle, ranging from relaxed cruising behavior to full track-focused aggression. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a marvel of engineering. Braking performance inspires enormous confidence. Watch it take this corner. Pure precision. Large carbon ceramic brakes provide powerful stopping force repeatedly without noticeable fade. Pedal feel remains progressive and predictable, helping the driver manage speed smoothly before entering corners. Combined with the advanced aerodynamic package, the Revuelto feels planted and stable even at very high speeds. Fuel economy obviously will not be the primary reason buyers choose this vehicle. Still, the hybrid system helps improve efficiency compared with older Lamborghini flagships powered purely by large displacement engines. Short electric-only driving capability also adds a layer of flexibility during urban situations or quiet departures early in the morning. Owners will still spend heavily at fuel stations, but efficiency improvements demonstrate Lamborghini's effort to balance performance with evolving expectations. Lamborghini offers multiple trims and personalization possibilities for the Revuelto. Buyers can select from extensive exterior colors, wheel designs, interior finishes, and carbon fiber packages. Optional performance upgrades and appearance packages allow owners to tailor the vehicle toward either grand touring comfort or sharper track-focused behavior. The customization possibilities feel nearly endless, ensuring that very few examples will look identical once delivered to customers. Ultimately, the 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto succeeds because it preserves the emotional drama people expect from Lamborghini. It remains loud, aggressive, visually shocking, and unapologetically exotic. Yet beneath all of that theater lies a surprisingly sophisticated machine capable of genuine comfort, advanced usability, and extraordinary performance. The Revuelto does not simply replace previous Lamborghini flagships. It confidently pushes the brand into an exciting new era without abandoning the raw emotional appeal that built its legendary reputation. Thanks for watching, Zoom Auto family. If this review revved your heart, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car reviews, and tell us in the comments. Until next time, Goran, drive safe, drive fast, and keep chasing your automotive dreams.